Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to grow your own food but felt like you just don't have enough room, you're going to love today's video. I'm sharing some of the best backyard farming hacks that will help you grow more in less space. These strategies work whether you've got a tiny yard, a patio, or even just a few containers. And if you'd like more simple guides and resources, visit www.mydagrifarm.com, your trusted place for natural, sustainable and homegrown living. The challenge of small spaces. Most people think you need acres of land to produce real food, but that's not true. The trick is efficiency. With the right techniques, even a small backyard can feed a family. These hacks will help you get the most out of every inch, making your garden productive, practical and fun. Hack 1. Go vertical when space is limited. Grow up instead of out. Trellises and wall planters let crops like beans, cucumbers, and peas climb upward, freeing ground space for other vegetables. You can even hang baskets filled with strawberries, herbs, or cherry tomatoes. Vertical gardening not only saves space, but it also improves airflow and makes harvesting easier. Hack 2. Use containers smartly. Containers are lifesavers for backyard farming. They can be moved around to follow the sun, grouped for efficiency, and customized for each crop. Tomatoes thrive in buckets, peppers do well in pots, and herbs grow beautifully in recycled jars. The hack here is mixing sizes: large pots for big plants and smaller ones tucked into corners for quick crops like lettuce. 3. Square foot gardening. This method is a game changer. By dividing a raised bed into 1-foot squares, you can fit a surprising variety of plants in a small space. For example, one square can hold 16 radishes, another 9 beets, and another a single tomato plant. Square foot gardening keeps things organized, maximizes production. Hack 4. Succession planting. Instead of planting once and waiting, succession planting keeps your garden producing. As soon as one crop finishes, replace it with another. For example, plant lettuce in spring, switch to beans in summer, and then grow spinach in fall, all in the same bed. This hack triples your harvest without expanding your garden. Hack 5. Companion planting. Companion planting allows you to grow more in less space by pairing plants that help each other. Basil and tomatoes thrive together. Beans add nitrogen that supports leafy greens, and onions deter pests from carrots. Smart pairings save space, improve yields. Hack 6. Microgreens and herbs. Don't overlook microgreens and herbs. They take almost no space, grow fast, and add big nutrition. You can harvest microgreens in as little as 2 weeks right on a windowsill. Herbs like parsley, mint, and basil thrive in small pots and provide fresh flavor year-round. Hack 7. Layer your crops. Think of your garden like a forest. Plants can grow in layers. Tall crops like corn or sunflowers provide shade for lettuce underneath. Vining crops like cucumbers can climb trellises, while root crops like carrots grow below. Layering allows you to use the same space in multiple ways. Hack 8. Mulch and smart watering. In small gardens, moisture matters. Mulching around plants saves water, keeps roots cool, and suppresses weeds. Pair that with drip irrigation or a simple soaker hose, and you'll save time while keeping your garden thriving. Hack 9. Grow what you eat. This might sound obvious, but the smartest way to grow more in less space is to focus on what your family actually eats. Skip the crops that sit untouched and fill your space with favorites like tomatoes, peppers, or salad greens. Not only will this maximize harvests, but it also keeps your meals fresh and exciting. For more small space gardening hacks and tips, head over to www.mydagrifarm.com. It's full of ideas to help you grow smarter, not bigger. Hack 10. Continuous harvest. The final hack is harvesting smartly. Many crops, like lettuce and kale, keep producing if you harvest a little at a time instead of pulling the whole plant. Herbs grow back quickly when trimmed. By picking regularly, you stretch each plant's productivity and keep your garden looking full. Backyard farming is about more than food. It's about independence, creativity, and sustainability. Even a tiny space can make a huge difference when you use it wisely. With these hacks, you'll not only increase your harvest but also enjoy the process of creating something meaningful right outside your door. So remember, it's not about the size of your yard, it's about how you use it. These simple hacks can turn your small garden into a powerhouse of fresh food. Thanks for watching. I hope you're inspired to try these tips and see just how much you can grow. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more backyard farming ideas, and share it with friends who want to start their own gardens. Remember, small spaces can create big harvests. Until next time, happy planting and happy harvesting.